Hi guys, welcome back. So today I've done, you can say, a first modification for the B6. And what is it? I will show you. That modification is specially for dad. Okay, that he has done it for himself. What is that modification? I will show you now in detail what it is and why it is done. As you guys know that this is our newly matte white or satin white B6, which is one of one in Goa. So I've just washed the car because it was dirty and now it's nice and chakachak. तो अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे कि किस मॉडिफिकेशन की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. For all the new viewers, this one is the B6 Pack 3 79 kilowatt hour battery variant, and this is the top end variant with everything. Now let's get inside and I will show you what modification or what is done to the car. Now let me get inside. The car is already unlocked. If you all can see, कुछ है क्या? If you all see, now it is visible, some sort of a lever. Okay, yes, so some might have understood what this is. Okay, so this is basically hand controls for disabled people. So this has been done everything. Okay, and this just one lever controls the brake and the accelerator. Now how does it do that? We'll just show you roughly. Now if I just press it, the brake gets depressed. If I pull it, the accelerator gets depressed. Okay, so that's simple it is. So now where have we done it? This we got it done from Ravi. Okay, I will mention their YouTube channel over here, and for your reference, this is the first B6 with hand controls in all over India. He has not done, he did it for our car, our B6, and this is the first one to do. Okay, so everything is like universal and it can be done on any car. They do it for automatics, they do it for manuals, and even they can convert the car into wheelchair accessible cars. So that's their modification, because Ravi sir ji jo hai, he himself is a disabled person. So now I will show you a small demo by driving. Okay, just for reference, that this car can be driven by anyone. It can be driven by a physically challenged person or a normal person as well. And I will show you on a short road, okay, where there is no one around, just for everyone's safety. Okay, let's get inside. And now let's start up the B6. Okay, if you just see, I have turned on the sonic suite, if it is visible, audible. Okay, now let's put it into drive. Okay, and I drive with my legs, so I will just show you a small demo how this hand control works. Okay, now I will just show you it on a straight road. Now this, if I press, it stops the car because that is the brake. Okay, you can see over there. If I pull it, that's the accelerator. So I have turned on the sonic suite just so that you all can understand that I'm accelerating. Okay, so this is the brake, and if I pull it back, it is going to be an accelerator. Now this, we did it almost a week back, and I am shooting this after a week, so a week's later review is really good. It's thumbs up. So any one of y'all who want or wish to do this can reach out to them. Okay, in their channel they show they have done many cars, so y'all can reach out to them and get your car done as per your convenience. So this is going to be it for this video. This was a quick short video about this hand controls for our B6, which is going to be India's first and only B6 with hand controls right now. It is definitely going to be the first one because they have not done any B6 as of now. And yeah, so hope you all like this informative video, and hope it was informative and hope it was useful as well. So in order to watch such more content, make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon, like, share, and see you in the next one.